Can we change time zones in MetaTrader 5? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it is possible to change our time zone in MetaTrader 5. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your MetaTrader 5. So let's open it up and log in into your account. So after you're on your MetaTrader 5, you can head over to your settings and let's search for our time zones. So normally the time zone should be on our settings on the bottom here. If you tap on settings, there you'll find that there is no option to change the MetaTrader 5 time zone. So you can simply check for every nook and corner of this app and you'll notice that there is no option to do so. So yeah, previously there was the option to actually change the time zone, but it has been currently removed. Now it's the same for the web version for MetaTrader 5 as well. It has been removed from the MetaTrader 5 web application as well. So yeah, I hope this video was informative for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.